This is week 1 of learning the endangered Irish language. So about 2 million people in Ireland can speak the Irish language, but only a small percentage of them use it on a daily basis, and very little are native speakers, so to most of them it is a second language. So the language faced a rapid decline due to English colonization, and now it is considered an endangered language. But here's the thing, I want to learn it. So to get started, I enlisted the help of a certain bird. So I quickly set up my Duolingo account, and then it gave me a quick introductory lesson. So the first section of Duolingo Irish features 16 different units, and then it goes on for 5 more sections. So my goal is to complete about half of a unit a day, which is about 3 units a week. So I just completed my 3 units for this week, and I learned some pretty cool basic stuff. So I'm still working on the pronunciation part, but I learned that diadit means hello, ledahol means please, and garama means thank you. So next week I will continue on the Duolingo grind, and I'll also implement some new strategies for learning the language.